Secret steps to succeed in business. Want to know the hidden steps that successful entrepreneurs swear by? This isn't your usual business advice. These are proven secrets you won't hear anywhere else. Welcome to Prince Sam Official Channel. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you. Secret steps. 1. Build a strong foundation. Identify a clear purpose. Know why you're in business, beyond just making money. Define what value you bring to customers. Research the market, understand your industry, competitors, and customer needs. Market insights can help refine your strategies. 2. Develop a winning mindset. Stay persistent. Success rarely happens overnight. Be prepared for challenges and stay committed to your goals. Adaptability. Stay flexible and be open to adjusting your plans based on market trends or feedback. 3. Set clear goals and priorities. SMART goals. Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Prioritize tasks. Focus on high-impact activities that move the business forward. 4. Deliver outstanding value. Focus on quality. Ensure your products or services exceed customer expectations. Build relationships. Establish trust with your customers by consistently providing value and engaging with them. 5. Optimize finances. Manage cash flow. Keep an eye on expenses, income, and cash reserves. Strong cash flow is the backbone of a healthy business. Invest wisely. Reinvest profits into growth areas like marketing, technology, or product improvement. 6. Leverage marketing and branding. Use multiple channels. Embrace social media, content marketing, email marketing, and partnerships to reach a wider audience. Brand consistency. Maintain a consistent brand voice and identity across all platforms. 7. Build a strong team. Hire for culture and skill. Hire individuals who fit your company culture and bring in the necessary expertise. Empower employees, encourage innovation, give feedback, and allow your team to take ownership of their work. 8. Keep learning and improving. Stay updated. Keep up with industry trends, new tools, and customer expectations. Seek feedback. Regularly get feedback from customers, employees, and partners, and use it to enhance your business. And remember, the journey to success is filled with small steps and smart moves. Implement these secret steps in your business and watch as your results skyrocket. Did you find these steps helpful? Let me know which one you'll start applying right away in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more insider tips that can elevate your business to new heights. Thank you so much for watching. Your support helps grow this community of business leaders. I can't wait to bring you more valuable insights. Prince Sam Official loves you all.